In this domain, wanting prevents receiving. So I'd like today to start with talking about gratitude. You know, this reminds me of a story that Jack Kornfield told many, many, many years ago. God, I love this story. He was a he was in a Thai Buddhist monastery, and in his early training days, and he was a student of Ajahn Chah. Many of you probably know about this. And but I don't know if you know the story, but he told a story where Ajahn Chah was walking around to the students and saying, your problem is that you want what you don't have. Sound familiar? You want what you don't have. This is like Buddhism 101, right? And he said, it's a really simple solution. You just have to want what you have. And that is the secret of gratitude. I'm not saying you shouldn't want what you want and want what you don't have. That's fine. Not a problem. But it's also appreciating what you have, because it's not going to last. Life doesn't stay put. Even though you're sitting and you're present here, look at all the movement going on in your mind, in your thoughts, in your body, in your breath, in your energy, in your emotions, in your sensations. There's nothing but movement. And yet, this presence that this environment evokes in us is the profound stillness of peace and happiness, fulfillment and love. It is the Holy Grail. It is the Promised Land. It is the Philosopher's Stone. It's all of it. It's the Tao. It's the blah, blah, blah. Anyway, on a human level, when you become more fluid as a being, you're just going to experience the beautiful, radiant, loving being that you are. And the love will go in and out seamlessly in your life, all around you, and everything, flowers will bloom.